Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay Magento Integration. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Afterpay into your Magento store. First, you need to create an Afterpay account and obtain your merchant ID and API keys. To do this, sign up for an Afterpay merchant account on their official website and follow the registration process. Once you have your account set up, navigate to the API settings section to obtain your merchant ID and API keys. Next, you need to install the Afterpay Magento extension. You can download the extension from the Magento Marketplace or the Afterpay website. Once downloaded, upload the extension to your Magento store using an FTP client or the Magento Connect Manager. After installing the extension, configure the Afterpay settings in your Magento store. To do this, navigate to the System Configuration section and select the Payment Methods option. Then, select Afterpay and enter your merchant ID and API keys. You also need to configure the payment action, which can be set to authorize and capture or authorize only. Once you have configured the Afterpay settings, you need to test the integration. To do this, create a test order in your Magento store and select Afterpay as the payment method. If the integration is successful, you should be redirected to the Afterpay payment page where you can complete the payment. Best practices for Afterpay Magento integration include ensuring that your store is using a secure HTTPS connection and that you are complying with Afterpay's terms and conditions. You should also test the integration regularly to ensure that it is working correctly. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay into your Magento store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can start offering Afterpay as a payment option to your customers and provide them with a seamless and secure checkout experience.